Hey everybody, my name is Musical and welcome back to another video. In today's video we'll be doing a little something different. I know I do gaming videos usually on Minecraft and Steam and stuff like that, but never mind that. We're going to be focusing on a tutorial on a video game software or online website that allows you to create video game music. I use it a lot actually, but it's going to be called Beepbox. So first thing you want to do is open up Google Chrome, of course, with every single tutorial, website tutorial ever. Look up Beepbox. That's right, B-E-E-P, not B-E-E-B. I know it sounds a little weird in the video, but stick with me. Oh, come on. No, okay, yep. Beepbox. Look it up, and you'll see the first thing that comes up. It's all one word, just no spaces. Take a moment. I'll give you 5 seconds to memorize that. Alright. I know that wasn't 5 seconds, but I don't care. So, go to the first thing. You should see this whole complicated little thing. It's less trust me, it's less complicated than what there is out there. So what I do is I always go to edit. I always put in, like, I don't know, like, let's do 16, and yeah, that's usually what I do. And I usually put about 50 for the bar song, or about 20 for the bars. So yeah, right there is pretty good. Alright, sorry about that. So basically what you can do is you can change the numbers depending on what kind of music or beat you use in the song. So let's say, let's do this, create some of that. I don't know, I'm creating something completely random. Usually when you put something completely random, it usually works out. I guess play it and see what happens. So yeah, as you heard, I don't know if you heard. Let me just turn it up a little bit. I know. I'm recording a video right now. Alright, so as you see that there's a beat right here, and if you increase the number, it's no longer there. You can create another beat. Well, I'm just going to use a really simple beat. You can use it on any measure, but I'm using it on one measure right now. As this will increase, the mar will go, and now we'll do this one. And then it'll increase it because it's all on one. So you can increase the number on anyone just to make it a different kind of measure or a different kind of beat. I think this is just like crashing kind of thing, a crash thing. Hang on. Yeah. So let's see. Yeah, that's kind of cool. I didn't notice that actually. All of this, you don't really need to worry about it. This is the difficulty, pretty much the keys I'm going to use. It'll make it higher. The higher it is, I think the default is G. I don't remember, but the tempo just raise it up all the way. Ooh, I actually really like that. That's pretty cool. So I think the defaults are there. I'm not sure, but the rhythm. That's pretty cool. Volume. It doesn't really do anything, as you hear. So that's pretty much Beepbox. This is the newest version, 2.3. So, and you're gonna also write a new song that also goes along with this, and it'll just reset everything. And also, you can export it to a MIDI file, which I recommend, so you can play it on Windows Media Player and you can actually hear it. WAV file, I'm not sure, and JSON file. Outro, intro. You can only not check the intro. You can see how many times it plays it. Loop count, always put at 1 because unless you want to keep it going and stuff like that. But that's pretty much what's into it. You can also go to easy. You can put wait, where is it? Preferences, I think. I'm not really sure. I think it's. I'm not. I'm actually. Oh wait, here it is. You can go to chip, which is the easy mode, and expert, which means more settings. Don't know what those settings mean, so if you have any more questions about Beepbox, leave them in the comments, and even take time to like this video, because I really and actually take time to subscribe. I really need subscribers right now. I make good content sometimes. I know I have a few interruptions, but I hope that doesn't mind, because I'm too lazy to edit this video. So just, I do really hard work doing these videos for you guys once a week, or sometimes I really don't have a schedule actually. I stream on Twitch sometimes. I will leave that in there, but I rarely do it. So I might not leave the link in the description because, I mean, it's Joker teeth, all lowercase. Just put it out there. So take time to like this video because I didn't really want to do this video, but I was like, why not? Because not a lot of people have appreciate this program, this really good program. I think it was only made by only like 2 people. But anyways, please support this website, follow all the people on Instagram who created this. I don't know. I'm just assuming they're on Instagram. Now I have a decal that I need to put on my computer, so I've done this video. I'm sorry. Like, subscribe, comment any questions you have about the Beepbox, and I'll be sure to ask the creators or just ask me, because I know a lot about this program. So see you later, guys. Peace.